2 tips to identify an ethical lawyer who is following their oath and preserving democracy. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. So, the public is seeing that justice is for sale in some courts. In part, for tragic reasons, driven by what has been coined as the Kusenov effect. It's kind of obvious, don't you think? When court cases drag on, and on, and on, making them far more contentious than they needed to be, while litigation costs skyrocket. It makes it impossible for some litigants to be able to obtain due justice. So it shouldn't surprise anyone that there are people losing faith in the integrity of institutions that uphold democracy. So, what do we do to reverse this course that jeopardizes democracy, and help restore trust and confidence in the justice system? The solution is simple and peaceful. We learn how to identify the ethical legal professionals who follow their oaths versus the unethical judges, lawyers, and court personnel who don't. So what should we all be looking for? We need to look for lawyers who follow the American Bar Association's Model Rules of Professional Conduct, specifically Rule 8.3, and its similar counterpart depending on the case jurisdiction. What is the ABA's Rule 8.3? Rule 8.3 is reporting professional misconduct. It is the responsibility of lawyers, who are officers of the court, to uphold the integrity of the profession, and that includes reporting unethical, oath-breaker judges and lawyers who break the rules, thwart due justice, and make a mockery out of the rule of law, to unjustly win or sway a case. Come on, let me show you what the American Bar Association's Rule 8.3 says. Rule 8.3. Reporting professional misconduct. Maintaining the integrity of the profession. Rule 8.3. A lawyer who knows that another lawyer has committed a violation of the rules of professional conduct that raises a substantial question as to that lawyer's honesty, trustworthiness or fitness as a lawyer in other respects, shall inform the appropriate professional authority. Shall inform the appropriate professional authority. Rule 8.3. Lawyer who knows that a judge has committed a violation of applicable rules of judicial conduct that raises a substantial question as to the judge's fitness for office shall inform the appropriate authority. Shall inform the appropriate authority. Yes, the solution is that simple, and it's been in plain sight for a long time. Legal professionals following the American Bar Association's professional rules of model conduct. All of the rules. All of the time. Not some of the rules, sometimes, and that includes Rule 8.3. I know. Radical, huh? So, whenever you see a lawyer following Rule 8.3 and reporting misconduct within the legal profession, exposing the oath-breaker judges and lawyers, you are seeing a lawyer who is conducting themselves ethically, following their oath, and preserving the integrity of the justice system. Conversely, given lawyers talk amongst themselves in law firms, likely consult on each other's cases, have staff and associates. And attorney in judicial misconduct can also be identified by following court cases and reading court filings. When you don't see a lawyer reporting attorney and/or judicial misconduct, you know there are unethical lawyers in our midst who are violating Rule 8.3. People may be suffering from abuse. As awareness spreads about what has been occurring in some of the courts, keep in mind that misconduct might also include legal professionals who tamper with public documents, court filings, exhibits, and dockets to try to cover up their misconduct. So there you have it. 2 easy tips to identify ethical lawyers. If you want to see Rule 8.3 in action, click the link in the description box below. If you are a non-lawyer who wants to have fun and learn about the justice system, consider getting How to Legal Bingo Lawyers Edition. It's linked in the description box below. How to Legal Bingo includes legal resources, cheat sheets and tips, with Oathbreaker, Oath Follower Lawyer Bingo cards. You can use them to assist you as you follow cases in these hyper-politicized times to see who is ethical and who is not based on attorney oaths and rules. Want more tips and peaceful solutions to solve today's problems? Subscribe, share and comment.